For women, especially young women, welding can be a little intimidating. I like to tell people face that challenge. There's a huge shortage of welders right now, and there are a lot of opportunities for women in welding, and I don't think that is something people realize. I had chose to come to Highland because it was the only school in our area that offered welding and agriculture, and I was specifically excited for the welding program because I knew that the lab was brand new and it was the first time I'd worked with brand new welding equipment in my life, so it was exciting. My first welding class here at Highland, it was filled with people who had never welded before and people who had been welding for 20 years. Everyone in this class had the same interest in welding that I did. I knew that I was going to be taken care of here in this welding lab. Meeting Todd was interesting. Todd is he's a character, and he has the biggest heart. Never once did I feel out of place, especially when I was the only girl in my class. He was welcoming to everybody, and that is an environment that is very nice to be in.
Madison was an excellent student right out of the gates. She was able to pick up on the welding processes rather quickly compared to other students. She was always willing to go out of her way to help people. If I was tied up with another student or whatever the case may be, she would help that student. She's a great representative of our program.
I just want to thank Highland for all the opportunities it has given me, and I am excited to see how this program will evolve.